Hello, this is Eliton for SOS Cube. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this video. So you can use this video for your intros. You can use that to do a photo show. You can put photos in the scenes and then, do whatever you want. And you can also put yourself here in the front, doing a stand-up. I don't know. So I give you the scene. I show you how to do that, how to modify, and you use your creativity to do whatever you want. Okay, so I know that this scene is very complex to build up, to create from the scratch. So I have then decided to do two set of tutorials. In the first set of tutorials, I'm going to show just how to edit. So I'll give you the project, okay, with the lights and everything set up. I will show you how to edit, change your name, put your name here, put your logo here, anything. I will show the render, how to render that out, how to put yourself or photos in the scene. So that's going to be the first set. I know I'm doing that because I know that there are people that are not interested in learning 3D Studio Max to how to extrude objects and so on and so forth. So that's why I have decided to go with this first option. The second option is going to be people that like 3D Studio Max and want to know how to set up lights, set up the background, how to create the object from scratch, how to extrude the object, so do the curves and everything else. So that's going to be the second set. Okay, but everything correlated and how to create this video. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, here is my project in 3D Studio Max. I'm using the 2015 version. So as you can see, this is the scene itself. This is pre-render. So this is the preview. Doesn't look like very equal. That's because it's not rendered yet. Okay, so don't worry if you're not familiar with 3D Studio Max. This is just the preview. Okay, when you only see this quality once you render the scene. Okay, I will show that after all. So this is the scene. You have here the objects, everything you can select, you can remove, you can just delete that, remove from the scene. You can extrude, do anything you want. Okay, so one of the things to start that you need to make sure that you have enabled in the software is the command panel. So if you're not seeing the command panel here as I am now, so you just right click in the toolbar and click in control panel. Okay, or you can go to the modeling, polygon modeling, and then you click in this button. So then you enable the command panel. So this is the command panel. And then you need to just be able to select the object now. So you can go to the perspective scene. So this is the perspective. Actually, I'm seeing the camera now. Before going to the perspective scene, let me just show you. So as I'm showing here the camera, I'm able to see what the camera is seeing. So all the movements that the camera does. Okay. As you can see, this is exactly my scene, my video. So camera 1 stop it, camera 2 start it. So camera 1. Okay, I'll change to the perspective to do not affect the camera. So the perspective scene, perspective view. As you can see now, I'm not moving along the camera. That's because I'm set that as a perspective scene. If you want to go back to camera, you just select from the perspective and change to camera. So as you move the time frame here, you see that the camera moves now. Okay. Okay, I will set that as a perspective. I'm selecting. So in order to select an object, so you click and select and move. Click on the object you want to change. Now with the command panel enabled, so you'll be able to see the modify section. So on the modify section, you see that I have just a text and extrude. So If you want to change the text, you click on text, and then you change to anything else you want. So put here SOS Cube. Oh my god, that's got very big and out of the shape here. So I want to change the size. So we can, there are two ways to do that. You can change the size of the font by going here. You can change the font itself as well in the parameters, and you can change the size of the font, right? Well, let's say you want to keep the size as it is, but you want to modify the object to another size. So then you click here in the select uniform scale. So then it's going to change the object, not the font. Okay? So you can do that. That's it. So just take care to do not enable the keyframes here, otherwise that's going to be animated as well. I won't show that now, but later in the bonus tutorial I'm going to show you how to animate things, an object here in the scene. Okay, so that's all for today. With that, you're already able to change, make changes here. So this is text as well, production is text, this is text. So in the next tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete, remove, and rearrange these stuffs over here. Okay, thanks very much for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.